Hey food lovers! Today we're cracking into a snack that's been around for over 1,000 years. That's right, we're talking about Chinese tea eggs. These aren't your ordinary hard-boiled eggs. They're a flavor-packed delicacy with a history as rich as their taste. So, let's dive in. First things first, what exactly are tea eggs? Imagine taking a regular egg, cracking its shell just a bit, and then simmering it in a brew of tea, soy sauce, and spices. The result? A marbled masterpiece that's both a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. But here's the kicker. People have been making these for over a millennium. That's older than the Great Wall of China. Can you believe it? Legend has it that tea eggs originated during the Tang Dynasty around 618, 907 AD. But why? Well, it wasn't just about taste. It was about preservation. In a time before refrigerators, this method helped keep eggs fresh for longer. Talk about ancient ingenuity. Now, let's break down what makes these eggs so special. The marble effect, the flavor infusion, the cultural significance. First, that stunning marbled look. It's not just pretty, it's functional. The cracks in the shell allow the flavors to seep in, creating that distinctive pattern. Next, the flavor. We're talking a complex mix of tea, soy sauce, cinnamon, star anise, and more. It's like a party in your mouth. Lastly, these aren't just a snack. They're a cultural icon. From street food to family gatherings, tea eggs are a symbol of Chinese culinary tradition. Now, want to know the best part? You can make these at home. Here's a quick rundown. Boil your eggs, gently crack the shells, simmer in your tea mixture, let them soak overnight. Peel and enjoy. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So, food history buffs and flavor seekers, are you ready to try this ancient snack? Drop a comment below with your favorite egg dish. Maybe we'll feature it in our next video. And if you enjoyed this tasty trip through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more culinary adventures coming your way. Remember, sometimes the best flavors are the ones that have stood the test of time. Until next time, keep exploring and happy eating.